Navigating social media. Don't get lost in translation. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into the world of idiomatic expressions, specifically within the context of social media. Understanding idiomatic expressions in social media is essential to avoid miscommunication and to navigate these platforms effectively. So buckle up and get ready to master the language of social media. Idiomatic expressions are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In the fast-paced world of social media, such expressions are often used to convey thoughts and ideas succinctly. Understanding these expressions can help avoid misunderstandings and enable you to communicate effectively. Let's delve into some of the most common idiomatic expressions on social media. 1. Sliding into DMs. This expression refers to the act of sending a direct message to someone on social media, often with romantic or friendly intent. 2. Spill the tea. This phrase means to share gossip or secrets. It's often used when someone is about to disclose juicy or intriguing information. 3. On fleek, an expression that means on point or looking good. This can refer to anything from a person's outfit to the quality of a piece of work. 4. Throw shade. This phrase means to subtly, or not so subtly, insult or criticize someone. To avoid miscommunication, it's essential to understand the nuances of these expressions. For example, throwing shade can be seen as light-hearted banter or serious criticism, depending on the context and the relationship between the people involved. Furthermore, it's important to remember that social media is a public platform, and messages can be interpreted differently by different people. So, always think twice before you spill the tea or slide into someone's DMs. Mastering idiomatic expressions in social media is an essential part of avoiding miscommunication and fostering better online relationships. With these idioms in your vocabulary, you'll be able to navigate social media like a pro. Remember, context is key when it comes to understanding and using these expressions. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons on mastering English language. Until next time, happy learning!